Just because he serves your purpose now? Just because he's useful to you now?
No, actually what Mr. Sanjay Baru has said.
No. Surjewala says you
There are
asked
two
him.
things in politics.
Surjewala
The
says
perception
Narendra
and the
Modi
reality.
strategist asked him to release
What
the book
Mr.
now.
Sanjay Baru has said is nothing but the popular perception in the common masses of the country.
No, but why didn't he say it earlier?
That Dr. Manmohan Singh is being installed in the chair just for
No, but why didn't he say it earlier?
of 10 Janpath.
Why didn't he say it earlier?
Now the thing is coming in reality.
No, why didn't he say it earlier? Why didn't he reveal it earlier? Why has he revealed this right between two important... You see, this book comes out, the experts of the book come out between phases of polling. Mr. Surjewala says to you that Narendra Modi strategist asked Sanjay Baru to reveal this information now. Why are you deflecting that question? You have no answer to Surjewala.
Actually, what Mr. Surjewala is saying, that Mr. Sanjay Baru has turned from extreme left to extreme right. Then he was putting question on Mr. R.K. Singh, Mr. Hardeep Puri and General V.K. Singh. Everybody is turning right because this is the right time to
again
take
you're
the country
dodging.
in a right way.
Again you're dodging.
Which
He's not saying that.
He's
not. He is saying, why did you reveal this now? And I'm also asking you today, imagine if the CBI, while investigating Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, understand the responsibility of an individual to the nation. That individual is surely aware that the investigation going on prima facie, if there is an unwritten link between 7 RCR and 10 Janpath, they say, and that person has information about that. Why has that person not shared that information in the public domain? If he had to share that information, would the investigation into the 2G scam or the Colgate or any other scam not take a completely different turn? Who was he protecting by not revealing the information till now? And who is he benefiting, therefore, by revealing the information now? Mr. Trivedi, I am giving you a second opportunity to respond to Sudhanshu.
If at all the answer is to be given, the answer should be given by Mr. Sanjay Baru or by the Prime Minister himself.
I should ask the question to Dr. Baru.
Whose media advisor was he?
I should ask the question
we
to
are
Dr.
not
Baru.
here the spokesperson of Mr. Sanjay Baru.
No, why have you not spoken?
Mr. Sanjay Baru has expressed something. He was having
why
no
now?
affiliation with BJP. If at all he was having some affiliation, it was with the Congress Party's president.
No, why now?
Congress Party's Prime Minister.
Why now?
So if you want to ask the question as an individual, the question should be asked to Mr. Sanjay Baru. If as an institution, the question should be asked to PMO. Where does BJP comes in the picture?
But BJP comes in the picture because you are taking political mileage out of this. 1 second.
Somehow puts the
Mr. Surjewala.
PMO in an awkward position, which in turn benefits the BJP by such a, you can say, roundabout logic. BJP cannot be put in the docks.
Why shouldn't it be put in the dock? I mean, you have latched on to the claims made by Sanjay Baru with respect to the undermining of the Prime Minister's authority. Why don't you want... Why?
I would like to mention one thing.
No, why don't you or Swapan Das Gupta for that matter?
No,
Swapan Das Gupta has read the book.
2008.
No, one second.
In 2006 and 7, there was a letter issued by PMO to all the ministries in which it was requested by the ministries while taking their decision, they must take into confidence the PMO.
Have you answered Surjewala's question? No.
Taking the decision by taking into confidence by whom? It is a written document of 2006.
Mr. Trivedi, he threw such a big allegation at you.
It means what Mr. Sanjay Baru has said.
He threw such a big allegation at you. You're not even responding to that. You're not even responding. He threw such a big allegation directly at you. Directly at you.
That, Arnab, is because Mr. Sanjay Baru for last few years has been seen in the company of some of the topmost leadership of BJP.
Has been seen?
And that's a fact that is widely known to you, including many
has
other
been
friends
seen.
of the media. And
what do you mean has been seen? Swapan Das Gupta response has been seen. No, 1 second. Watch it. Swapan Das Gupta, Randeep Surjewala says has been seen.
I also want to make
counter question from Swapan Das Gupta. Counter question.
I mean, is it not available? Is it
Narendra Modi is some Mogambo. His tentacles reach into every part.
After all, both in UPA 1 and UPA 2, Mr. Swapan Das Gupta, it is the Indian National Congress that was voted to power based on a manifesto, based on policies. Does the party...
I genuinely good Sunday evening line.
Right to guide
a genuinely good. By the way, 1 second. Mr. Surjewala.
We do not get governed by RSS from Nagpur like the Bharatiya Janata Party does.
Now, Mr. Surjewala, by the way, 1 second. By the way, Mr. Surjewala, fantastic Sunday evening News Hour debate line. And the prize for the best line goes to Swapan Das Gupta unless Vinod Mehta is going to give us a better line. Swapan Dasgupta's winning line tonight is Mr. Narendra Modi Mocambo, whose tentacles spread all over. I'd like him to respond. What were you saying? Make the comparison. Please go ahead. It beats the line. So Vinod Mehta, you see, the other line was the BJP line, which was competing with Swapan Dasgupta's, which was picking up from a Jagjit Singh ghazal. In the context of the personal attack, said, "Baat niklegi to dur talak jayegi." But Swapan Dasgupta wins. Yes, 1 second. Vinod Mehta, why do you want to come in? Yes, go ahead.
Arnab, can I just get a
No, which side are you on, first of all?
I think that, well, I'm on my side, Arnab. I'm on my side. Now, I would be the last person to defend the Prime Minister. And I would be the last person to say that he's a very strong Prime Minister. But we've heard Sanjay Baru's side of the story. But I think we must balance it with the other side of the story.
But the other side is not speaking.
The other side of the story is what the part... No, but I'm telling you a little bit about what the other side is saying. Please listen. What the other side of the story is that the Congress party always thought that Sanjay Baru was a BJP sympathizer in the PMO.
Oh, come on.
Just a couple of months before 2004... 1 minute, please. Just a couple of months before the 2004 shock victory, Mr. Baru wrote an article in the Indian Express saying that Vajpayee was very much like Nehru, if not better than Nehru. So there, Mr. Baru was seen in the party as a troublemaker, as a mischief maker, and someone who was trying to create friction between the PMO and the Congress president. There were many occasions between 2004 and 2008 when the party wanted Sanjay Baru sacked. It was on Sonia Gandhi's intervention that the sacking was stopped, because Mrs. Gandhi said that the Prime Minister has 3 daughters and he doesn't have
What's the relevance of all this to now? No, that's gossip in Lutyens Delhi. That's Lutyens Delhi gossip. What is the relevance of all that to now?
But what I am telling you is, in the party he was viewed with great suspicion, and that he had a one-point agenda of trying
The question today is deeper.
How do you know? My gossip, it's my gossip versus Sanjay Baru's gossip. So if you listen to Sanjay Baru's gossip, you should listen to my gossip.
Vinod Mehta, your gossip was...
I think, in his book, Sanjay Baru also mentions that Vinod Mehta was a particularly malleable and easily impressionable editor.
1 second, let me check that out.
At the end of the day, always followed the Congress High Command.
I know Swapan's anxiety.
Is that also I'm not going to treat that with the same amount of deference?
Line, but Swapan, in your anxiety to continue to sort of project Mr. Modi as one-stop solution for all ills, we cannot berate or belittle a senior editor like Mr. Mehta, and he rightfully says, Arnab, that what Mr.
Where did he appointed Sanjay Baru? I'm just quoting from the book.
Who's a seasoned editor says is
gossip. Mr. Mehta has been belittled just as Sonia Gandhi is being belittled. Mr. Mehta belongs to the same league, not the issue.
Being made by Mr. Mehta.
No, I am not the issue. I know you're not the issue.
Vinod Mehta, Vinod Mehta says, 1 second. Vinod Mehta, now I didn't know this.
No, Vinod is not the issue. I agree, Vinod is not the issue. But Baru is also not the issue.
No, but Swapan Dasgupta.
Side of the working of the
Swapan Dasgupta, 1 minute. Swapan Dasgupta, let me...
Mr. Baru's book.
1 second.
Even Mr. Mehta, that's classical way in which we are treating this entire debate.
Okay, not with the intention of provoking Vinod Mehta, who I like very much. is Vinod
Please,
Mehta
Mr.
hitting back at
Surjewala,
Sanjay Baru on
Sunday
Newshour
evening.
tonight?
Today
One second.
Sunday evening, you've got 1 month left.
We've strayed completely. I'm
Sunday
taking a
evening.
2-minute break. This
You've
fact.
already
This
conceded
is
that much.
no. We are going to.
Use the book.
No,
At
one
the
second.
behest
Please.
of Narendra Modi.
Why are you fighting this
That.
election?
The issue.
But
The issue is
do not try
no. The issue is very serious.
One of the senior most
issue.
editors now by using Baru.
No. By the way, no. 1 second. So, Mr. Surjewala, let me take a 2-minute break. Vinod Mehta is eminently capable of defending himself. He's not the issue. He only has a bad habit of becoming the issue. He's not the issue, I admit. But Vinod Mehta has a bad habit. He becomes the issue in a most unplanned manner. The question is serious on the Newshour tonight. And the question is that Digvijay Singh told the world in May 2013 that there is a dual power center theory. He said Manmohan Singh is in power center in governance and Sonia Gandhi in political affairs. Sanjay Baru's book reveals that Sonia Gandhi was the power center both in governance and political affairs. Why should we crucify Sanjay Baru for speaking the truth? I'm back in if it is the truth. If it is the truth. I'm back in 3 minutes on the other side tonight.
This is Times Now, Super Prime Time.